Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a KDP planner to sell on Amazon KDP for free. So for free means that you will have to do everything from scratch, and if you don't want to do everything from scratch, but maybe you already have created Fabrica, if you don't, you can sign up. It costs I like $19 a month, but I believe they have a discount right now, so you can check them out. They have lots and lots of the planners, even for KDP, which you can edit a little bit and then sell it to on KDP. So I will leave the link in the description, but now let's go to Canva and create our planner. So the planners mostly go by the size 8.5 by 11, sometimes 8 by 10 inches, but let's create one on Canva now. I will show you today how to create a interior, and maybe if we have time I'll show you the cover too. So for example, now to create everything from scratch, it will take a lot of time, and I would suggest to do that. So I will just write down this planner belongs to information, and this is the first page. You can of course do it differently. I will do it a really simple, add some line. And yeah, that's the first page. The second page I always leave blank, and now here we can start our journal. So of course the planner has daily, weekly and monthly pages, so you will need to create all of those. So let's search for daily planner on Canva templates, so we would have a good start and we wouldn't have to do everything ourselves from scratch. So as you can see, there's lots of free templates which you can start using. Of course, you need to edit them a lot. So maybe let's start. Let's see this one. Oh, it's not a free one. Maybe this one. Yeah, I guess that works. So now you will do probably undated planner. If you want to do a dated planner, you can of course, but it's better to do undated one. So what we can do is add a line here. So let's add some line, and so that the person would write it himself, and the date, or maybe let's do it like that, and make it left alignment, and maybe something like that. So yeah guys, that's that. Now we can write here a weekday, and the person will write what day it is. Also, don't forget to leave these bleeds. You can actually turn it on by show rules and guidelines, show margins, and show print bleed. But you need to leave a lot of it because you will have lots of pages, and you have to leave it for the printing process. So yeah, we did that. Now we of course need to edit it a lot. We cannot leave it like that. So here's a daily planner. So today's affirmation, top priorities, to-do list, don't forget the time. And what I would suggest is maybe to change the font. So let's make it this, change all, and all of the fonts had changed. we can leave that like that. Now we need to change some colors, of course. Probably you will do for Amazon KDP, you will do a black and white, so you don't really need colors. Also the same goes for the fonts. You can change all of them to black. And what I would also suggest to do is actually change all of these elements and all of the weather elements too, so they would look different from the template. So I just added some elements off camera because it would be quicker. So basically that's how you edit a daily planner. Of course, you can change, like make a border rounder or something like that. So to do this, you can actually take this element, add it here, and make it with no color and add some border. So that's how you can edit this. You can do the same for this one. And now to make to have a monthly planner, I would suggest also to write it here, or maybe weekly. We can start with the weekly one. Of course, we want to stick to this type of style. We can, of course, choose this one. This is a simple version, and change it to the same as those where now for these ones, let's change to this one. And now to match everything, we should make the sizing the same. So it's 11.3. And we can also copy and paste this one and put it here. Week off. And add the same line right here. So it would match the daily planner. Of course, you copy and paste this one as much as you need. You copy and paste this one. And now for the monthly planner, we can maybe choose, of course, this is the dated one. If you want to do a dated planner, you can definitely do that. Or you can monthly, try and find monthly planner and maybe choose this one. Oh, it's a daily planner, so we need a monthly one. I cannot find it right now, but basically for the pro version, of course, there is some monthly planners, but if you want to do a dated one, there are some great options. Of course, we need to change the fonts and so on, so I will do it quickly off camera. So that's, I just change it to match the other ones. And now we have a planner. So we basically just duplicate the pages of the daily planner, duplicate the weekly ones, and you edit them. And make a weekly, basically daily, weekly, and monthly planners. So maybe the monthly one should go first, then you can add a weekly one. And now you add 1 week of days like this. So 7 days. Now again, we need a monthly one, weekly, and then 7 daily planners. And that's how you add pages, and when you will have enough pages, so it's at least 100 or maybe 150 pages, you just need to check out the other sellers from with the paperback one. What are they doing, how many pages, and after that you're just gonna click download and PDF print, and you download it and upload this interior to your Amazon KDP. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you create a planner for Amazon KDP to sell, and this is the interior, of course. I will show how to do the exterior one maybe in the next video. But yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.